People often ask, where do our machining gurus buy their CNC machines? We tell them Swistek, for new or used machinery and tooling that comes with good old American-made support and service. Meet John, our machinery guru.
So when you're making a capital investment, everybody's concerned about price. Our machines are the most economical Swiss machines in the industry. If you're buying a whole organization with support, the machines, applications, technical support, it's what we thrive ourselves on.
See the live catalog at SwissTech.com.
I'm John from SwissTech Machinery America, and we make the best hybrid Swiss-type CNC lathes there are. So we offer 7-axis machines up to 1 5/8", which is 42 millimeters. And then we also offer B-axis machines that are 9-axis for doing angle holes, on the fly, contour milling, drilling, all that sort of stuff. Are you looking to run your CNC machine lights out? At SwissTech, that's our specialty. By utilizing magazine bar feeders, miscollection, fire systems, and broken tool detection. The magazine bar feeder is so you can stack up 11.5 inches of your material so you can run through the night. So if you're running 1/2 inch stock, you can stack up 23 bars of material in there. Another concern when buying a Swiss machine is broken tool detection, and all our machines come with broken cutoff detections. The broken cutoff detector works after every part is cut off. It has a probe which swings up to make sure that the material's gone. Chips, and where do they go? All our machines come standard with chip conveyors. Another option we offer is high pressure coolant systems as well. High pressure coolant systems control chip control while cutting the part and also flushing the machine chips down into the sump. A lot of our customers are bringing work back from China because of the lights out applications that we provide, saving the labor costs. So lots of time customers are hesitant because they think they have to know what they need to buy, but it's not that way at all. We're here to guide you through that process. The customer will send us a drawing of the actual parts that they want us to look at, and we can determine the proper piece of equipment for them. This is a custom solution for your needs, and that's what makes us different from the other guys. Everybody's worried about warranties and guarantees, but it's really the service and the support that matters. You can reach one of our technicians or myself any time of the day or night. We have people calling us on the weekends. We're with the big guys, try and get in touch with them after 4 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. It's not gonna happen. With SwissTech, when you buy a machine from us, you're treated like family. All our customers seem to turn into our friends. There is 2-year Fanuc warranties, and we use Fanuc controls because they are everywhere in this country, and you can get service within a day. And we warranty all our mechanical parts and labor for a year on the machines. When you're looking for reliability, precision, and speed, SwissTech's the name, because your production uptime matters. Because if our machine works, you make money. And that's our goal, to make you make money.
Watch before you source.